Hi, I'm excited to announce a new edition of Fixlite Twin. This is the 2025 edition, and it comes with some really nice features. First of all, you'll have this nice carrying bag that you can use to transport your Fixlite. Second, it has a razor for the camera, which provides more space for the right hand, and you can easily change the battery when needed without removing the bracket. Also, the softboxes have an improved rotational mechanism that you can use to establish the angle of the softboxes on the bracket. So you can modify the angle of the softboxes to use them in a parallel position to capture this beautiful anterior close-up shots, or you can angle the softboxes inward towards the lens to capture posterior tip or shoot in the mirror or shoot rubber dam photography. In the same time, you can rapidly detach the softbox from the bracket and use them in different scenarios, such as portrait shots by giving them to the patient to hold them in their hands, or by attaching the softboxes on tripod stands and use them to capture really beautiful portrait shots. For example, if you want to shoot artistic photography, you can rapidly remove one softbox from the bracket and shoot these beautiful photos with a white background. If you want more convenience in shooting these artistic photos with white background, or even shooting some lab photography having the ceramics floating on a white surface, you can consider getting Fixlite Plus version, which is actually the main Fixlite plus one more softbox that can be used in these scenarios. Of course, you'll need 3 flashes to use Fixlite Plus, 2 flashes that go in Fixlite, and 1 that goes in this third softbox. Any camera is compatible with Fixlite Twin, regardless if it's Canon, Nikon or Sony or other brands, because the bracket comes with a fast release system that has a plate that will be mounted on the base of the camera. So basically the compatibility is with regards with the flashes that you want to use with your Fixlite Twin. When you purchase your Fixlite Twin, you will be given the chance to select one of these options. So I really hope you'll like this edition of Fixlite Twin. It's a new level of enjoying dental photography. Let me see your great photos soon.